Hey everyone, it's JT Ippolito again. We're here with our favorite product that we saw with Rich DeMiro on KTLA. It's an outstanding cooking utensil, and I've tried the pizza, and let me tell you, you can see the difference. My wife would take this in a heartbeat because doesn't like to cook anymore. Now that we're retired. But I wanted to give you another short overview. This is the Brava. It's a must-have kitchen utensil for all wives. So make sure you follow them, and I give it my 100% thumbs up for bleeding edge technology. Thanks, guys.